Okay, we're going to solder on our capacitors first. So there's two capacitors. There is the bigger one, which has a positive and negative. You can tell the positive and negative by looking at the length of the legs. So the positive is the longer leg, the negative is the shorter leg. And we also have the smaller one here, which doesn't have a positive and negative. That can go in each way. Now they're going to go into these spots here. Alright, but here we're going to put down the chip socket, which the capacitors are going to need to lie flat. So to do that, we get the capacitor, and I think the best idea is to bend them over before we start. So we're just going to bend the legs over. So we'll do the same thing with the smaller one. Okay. And then we're going to put them in the holes. So you can pretty much see the longer, I actually bent that the wrong way. So we want to bend it the other way. Make sure we've got, bend it over like so. Cool. And so that one, the longer one, is going to go in the longer hole. Alright, so I'm going to put that in here. Like so. It's going to be sitting flat like that. And then I'm just going to turn it over, put it down on the board here. I'm not going to use the helping hands or anything like that. I'm just going to have it sticking up like that. I'm going to get my soldering iron. I'm going to make sure that it is properly tinned up. Do that, I put a bit of solder on it, and then I go into the wire brush and just tip it out a couple of times. Alright, should be getting pretty good at this by now. And then I'm just going to heat up the solder, heat up the pin, feed a little bit of wire, there, there, and that is that one done. I'll hold that up. This looks like a pretty good soldering to me. Okay, and I'll do the next one. So I'm going to get this one. Doesn't matter which way it goes in. I probably don't want to bend those pins as much as I have actually. So once again, doesn't matter about positive and negative this one. I'm going to push it all the way down and then bend it over. Once again, I'm just going to lay this on the deck here. And same process again. With the solder. Heat up the connector, put in some solder. Alright. And that should look like, yeah, it's pretty good. Then I'm going to use these pliers here and just snip off the extra wire. I'm going to try and do it down on the board so that my mess all stays in one spot. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay.